Got my coffee in my favorite cup that's falling apart. I just noticed it. Look, her name's coming off. It's one of those like Starbucks chalk cups that you make, but her name's coming off. I think I have the pen somewhere. Got my coffee. Thank God for Keurig. We have our nice Keurig stash here, but our favorite right now is, you can't even tell, it's in this tub, and it's actual espresso from Starbucks that we use, and it pumps out a shot just fine out of our machine, so it's bad. Brandon and I are coffee addicts, so that's my morning. It's absolutely gorgeous outside. You can't even see, it's so bright. There we go. So today is gonna be pool day, beach day, and then we are going to the flower fields to take pictures. And I want to show you, little Miss is still asleep. Yes, she's in our bed. Hey Braelyn, what are you doing? Oh, are you taking our shoe bucket and dragging the dirt all over the house? Yeah. Hey Braelyn, what are we gonna do today? What are we gonna do today? Are we gonna go to the beach today? And this is to charge Mommy's camera. Are we gonna go to the beach? Yeah. And we're gonna go play with Braelyn? Are you gonna go in the water? You're just staring at me? You're silly. We gotta get ready. We gotta get your bathing suit on. What do you think? I think you're distracted. tired? Huh? Are you tired?
Right. Go. Go. You want to go and time out? Oh, look at him. How would he think?
Hey everybody, it's the end of the evening. It's 7:30, but we were at the beach all day, and so, well, not all day, but most of the day. We left at like 4:30, I think. But as you can tell, we got out of the shower, and I haven't done makeup or anything, and I'm in sweats. Braelyn is asleep. She's been asleep since, what time is it? 7:30. She's been asleep since like 7, I think, 6:45. She didn't have a nap at all today. Well, she fell asleep on the beach a little bit, but it was late, and I was like, okay, we don't want you to fall asleep now because I'd rather you go to bed early than go to bed at like 10 o'clock because I'm tired on beach days. So dinner's done, lunches are packed. I have a load of laundry in the, see, my brain isn't working, in the washer, and piles ready to go for tonight. So hopefully I'd like to get like 2 loads done tonight since I wasn't home all day, and we're gonna be gone all day tomorrow too. Tomorrow we have our little giveaway thing that they do for us, which is fun and exciting, and sometimes we get new stuff. So I'm gonna sit here and edit some videos and pictures and post some fun pictures for you guys. Hopefully they turned out, but we'll see. I tried to get video of dolphins today, but it didn't work because they were really far out, and then when they started doing flips, I lost them. And then a guy decided to throw like a football in front of the camera, and then that was it. I just lost the dolphins. And then usually you see like 6, and there was only like 1 or 2. I think I only saw 1, so I'm sorry about that. I tried. But anyways, I'm just going to kind of wrap it up here tonight, and I hope you all had a good day, and we will see you tomorrow. Hopefully our video is a little bit longer and more fun tomorrow. It seems like these last couple days it's kind of just been bejumbled and all about Braelyn, but why wouldn't we want it about Braelyn? She's the cutest thing ever, but I'm partial. So, sorry, I'm trying to fix my computer here. But anyways, I hope you all have a good night, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye!